It is a beautiful day here at the Walker Community Park. Tonight's entertainment, Carrie Holmes is warming up in the background. Wow, what a beautiful evening. And we have got more great weather for the weekend, but we got to get between now and then. We're talking about Friday. 13 weather ball tonight is green. No change to the warm and more humid weather pattern foreseen after the humidity has dropped this afternoon. And it's also blinking bright. We have some stormy weather in sight.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
And temperatures around the region in the upper 70s and low 80s with all that haze moved to the south as expected, and so did the humidity today. So it's looking very nice out here, nice breeze. We're at 80 in Grand Rapids, 80 over in Muskegon, also down in Kalamazoo, a little bit cooler at the lakeshore. Big difference today and how it feels is look at where the dew points have dropped. They have dropped into the 40s and 50s. That is much more comfortable. Even dew points down to the south have dropped into the low 60s. As that front drifted to the south, a couple of pop-up showers south and east of Grand Rapids, but that front is going to be coming back north as a warm front later on tomorrow morning. That's what's going to trigger a few scattered showers and storms early on, and then more stronger storms later in the day. But in the meantime, lots of clear skies this evening. Should be great. And I anticipate the capacity crowd here at Walker Community Park. You can see we're going to start our day with some sunshine. There are a couple of showers and thunderstorms that come through during the day. Not sure if those are going to be severe or not because of the time of day they're coming through, but all of these will be ending overnight Friday night into Saturday morning, and we got a good deal of sunshine not only Saturday but Sunday as well. But we're going to see that humidity level stay up quite a bit through much of the weekend. Now during the day tomorrow, we're in a category 1 out of 5 for a stronger storm. You can see the greatest risk will be back to our west and all the way down to our southwest. Dew points are going to come back up tomorrow in the 50s today, upper 60s tomorrow, so there's a lot of water around. So if those storms do develop, I think there could be quite a bit of rain with those, and you can see most of next week dew points are in the 60s all throughout the week. Long range outlook. Get in toward the end of our 10-day from the 16th through the 20th. Our temperatures will be a little closer to that average high of 81 with a little higher chance for some showers and storms. We have 1 or 2 chances next week. Out on Lake Michigan here this evening, look for mostly clear skies this evening and then becoming mostly cloudy towards daybreak. Winds will go offshore and the waves are going to come down to nearly flat from the 1 to 2 footers that are out there right now. So for tonight, skies will be clear early and then becoming partly cloudy as those high clouds roll in. Low 50s north, mid and upper 50s south. Upper 40s and low 50s north. Wow, open the windows and it'll be just a refreshing night, including here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Friday with just that marginal risk indicator there. Dry Saturday and Sunday, lots of showers and storms on Monday, especially in the afternoon and evening. They'll be done. For Tuesday all the way through Thursday, another round of some storms next Friday as a cold front goes through, and that will dry out our humidities the following weekend, which still looks very nice. Wow, what an evening out here.
Yeah, and this is the last concert of the summer series, so it couldn't go out on a better note.
Beautiful out there. Make sure to get outside, especially to the concert tonight. Thanks, George.
This is a 13 on your side weather update.
It's a great evening out here at Walker Community Park. The humidity has gone down, the haze is gone, lots of sunshine, beautiful breeze. Oh man, this is going to be a great night for the last of the Walker concert series. We have Carrie Holmes here tonight. We'll be introducing her at 6:30 when this event actually kicks off. How's your weather look for Friday after this beautiful evening? Well, the 13 weather ball is green. No change to at least the temperatures foreseen, but it's also blinking bright. We have a number of showers and thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln
You're not coming out to
Grand
the
Rapids.
concert. Maybe you're going to be walking the dog this evening. Look at those clear skies for a hunter. Going to give you the green paw this evening for Chris and Mike. Lots of sunshine and even sunny skies to start our day with some high clouds around. With those clouds around and the scattered showers, not as much energy being created from the sun here tomorrow, only 5.2 out of a 10-point scale. Winds were up a little bit as that front moved through. They'll be down a little bit here tomorrow. Nonetheless, still creating some green energy. You can see the winds out of the west and northwest, and that brought in that drier and cooler air for the moment. Did touch off a few scattered showers well to the east of us, but no rain here in West Michigan. That front's going to come back north as a warm front tonight, so here goes the humidity. We'll be going back up tomorrow morning, and that will also be the focal point for some showers and thunderstorms. Nothing here tonight, but we'll look for an increase to our cloud cover tomorrow. And you can see the scattered showers and storms rumbling through. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. A majority of those will be to our east by then. There might be one lagging shower or a thunderstorm late Friday night, but they'll all be gone by the time you wake up on Saturday morning. Plenty of sunshine, still a bit humid though, and we'll see more sunshine and humidity during the day on Sunday. But as that front comes through during the day tomorrow, there is a category 1 out of 5 or a marginal risk for severe weather here in West Michigan. Not real confident or positive that there will be anything happening here, but it's just something we'll be updating also tomorrow morning. Looking farther ahead, this is beyond our 10-day outlook from August 18th through the 24th. You can see most of the country not seeing any fall weather. Chances are going to be higher for warmer temperatures across much of the entire country, including here in Grand Rapids. And we have a slightly higher chance to see less rainfall right now. It's an equal chance. Most of the rain and storms will be out west. Water temperatures today, most of them were in the low 70s, down a degree or two over the past 24 hours. So tonight, skies will be clear this evening, very comfortable, and then high clouds coming in late, low 50s, northern part of the lakeshore zone, mid and upper 50s from Muskegon and Holland southward, upper 40s up along US 10, low 50s at Greenville and Fremont. Skies will become partly cloudy late tonight, and the same here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Overnight lows will be in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. We have Friday highlighted with that green marginal risk outlook as the humidity level goes back up again and through Saturday, but the weekend will be dry, and then more showers and thunderstorms during the day on Monday, and again the following Friday. Most of next week we will see very humid conditions. Following weekend, guys, looking as nice as this one though.
Oh, good. Thank you, George.
Yeah, the weekend looks fantastic.
And what a perfect night for the Walker Concert Series tonight.
It's really not bad out there, and that's where we find Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. George, is that going to continue all night being nice?
Oh, beautiful out here. The skies have cleared out, the humidity, the haze is gone, the wind is just refreshing. Yeah, we have Carrie Holmes here tonight. In about 15 minutes or so, we're going to kick off the last of the Walker Concert Series. We're over in Walker Community Park, just off of Cummings. Hopefully, if you still have some time, come down and enjoy some great music. Well, we've had a great run of weather, but we've got to get between now and the weekend, and that's Friday. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have lots of showers and thunderstorms in sight. It's also green. No change to the temperatures, but a big increase in the humidity foreseen.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand
And
Rapids.
highs today, we're up to 80 plus, including 80 here in Grand Rapids. That came within 1 degree of our forecast high. It still could reach that 81 after 6 o'clock. We'll update that tonight at 11. We're back on track. It's been a tough week. We've either had high clouds or showers and storms starting on Sunday. But we did have just a couple of sprinkles to the east of us this afternoon. That was out ahead of the cold front that has now pushed to the south of us. That's what's brought down the humidity. It feels so much more comfortable right now. That cold front, though, is going to come back north as a warm front here late tonight and tomorrow morning. That's what's going to bring our humidity level back up. There's also a risk for a stronger thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. We're in a category 1 out of 5. That is a marginal risk. The storms are going to start in the afternoon, so I'm not exactly sure that those will be enough time to get them on the stronger to severe. Lots of clear skies this evening. Skies will be partly cloudy overnight. You notice no rain here in West Michigan. We get up to around noon tomorrow. The showers blossom to the north. Those do not look strong at this point. It looks like most of them are going to blossom to our east, and we'll be back into some sunshine by later on in the day. So most of the storms will be late morning, early afternoon into the late afternoon. There might be a trailing shower or storm coming in very early Friday night, but back to sunshine on Saturday. A couple of sprinkles of rain might be possible up around US 10 north on Saturday, but we'll stay dry here. And then another clear night, and then the humidity levels will start to drop again later in the day on Sunday. When I say drop, they'll drop from 68 tomorrow. Right now, I think we're like 58 for a dew point, so jumping quite a bit here tonight and tomorrow, and then dropping into Sunday. Next week, we're going to be humid most of the week. Out on Lake Michigan here tomorrow, you can expect showers and thunderstorms at times, especially from mid to late morning into the early afternoon. Waves will build to around 2 to 3 feet from Grand Haven northward, so just keep an eye on the sky. Forecast then for tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms, mid and upper 70s, near 80 from Holland, South Haven southward. Northern zone, you'll be in the mid 70s along US 10, upper 70s elsewhere. And scattered showers and thunderstorms here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Be down a degree or two in the upper 70s to around 80, and certainly much more humid. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted that Friday with that green marginal risk, stay weather aware kind of day, but dry and humid on Saturday, less humid on Sunday, but here comes the humidity again next week with showers and storms on Monday and also the following Friday. Next weekend looking pretty nice, kind of like this weekend. I'm loving the weather out here tonight.
I love it when you bring us nice weekend weather, George.
Yes.
Thank you.
Perfect timing. Thank you, George.